This video shows how to import a mesh and an associated texture in Blender 280 and upwards. First, obliterate the default cube and all the other default objects in the scene by selecting them. You can also press A to select them all, and then deleting them using Object, Delete, or alternatively pressing Delete. Next, we import the mesh. Click File, Import, and choose the appropriate format for your mesh, in my case Stanford Ply. The mesh is now loaded, but we can see that it has no texture, even if in the top right of the 3D viewport I choose Texture for the color, nothing changes. So we need to load the texture manually. In the bottom left, switch the timeline mode to the shader editor view. Then click the imported mesh if you haven't already done so. And on the right side, choose Material Properties. Add a new material. This automatically pops up in the bottom in the shader editor. I will zoom in a little bit. Now we add a new node for our texture. Click Add, Search, search for Image, and choose Image Texture. Place the new node. You can now click Open and choose the texture file, in my case this PNG file. Now the colors are already loaded correctly. Also wire up the color output of our texture to the base color output of our principal BSDF. I don't think this is necessary, but it's probably good practice. Finally, if you want to show the colors exactly as they are in the mesh, you can choose in the top right, under Lighting, choose the flat mode. And then you have the mesh textures exactly like this. The mesh textured exactly as shown in the mesh texture. That's it.